after receiving the package. First, take out the main unit, the quick release mount, and the power cable. Then locate your vehicle's battery. Connect the black wire to the battery's negative terminal. Connect the red wire and the orange ACC wire together and attach them to the battery's positive terminal. Next, connect the aviation plug of the power cable to the quick release mount. Finally, snap the main unit onto the quick release mount. After powering on, follow the on-screen instructions to activate the device. Before using the Type-C port to start the main unit, make sure your power bank or charger supports 5 volts 3A output. The power cable must be USB-A to Type-C, and it must also support 5 volts 3A. Otherwise, the main unit will not power on. Use the screwdriver to open the USB protective cover. Please note this, only this Type-C port can be used for power input. Other Type-C ports cannot supply power. Insert the power cable into the Type-C port to start the main unit. After powering on, follow the on-screen instructions to activate the device.